Paraflex is an elastomeric tire-style coupling. Known as the problem solver, it is designed with a natural rubber element that features a corded structure, enhancing its strength. The Paraflex element accommodates high levels of misalignment while also absorbing shock loads and preventing damage to connected equipment. Paraflex is offered in finished bore, taper lock bushed, and QD bushed attachment methods. This video demonstrates a taper lock bushed installation. This video walks through installation and is a supplement to Instruction Manual MN4027. Before installation, ensure equipment is turned off using proper lockout-tagout procedures. Use required personal protective equipment. For this installation, you will need 2 taper lock bushings, 2 Paraflex taper lock flanges, and a Paraflex element. Eliminate any imperfections from the shaft. Next, clean the flanges using a cloth, dampened with a non-flammable solvent to remove all protective coatings applied at the manufacturing plant. Pay attention to cleaning the inside of the clamp rings to ensure proper element retention. Taper lock bushings can be inserted into flanges from 2 different directions. From the outside, known as Type H, or from the inside, known as Type F. Choose the direction that best fits your application. Installation holes have threaded half holes in the hub with non-threaded half holes in the bushing. Insert the bushing into the hub, aligning all half holes on the hub with the half holes in the bushing. Match the threaded holes with the unthreaded half holes. Loosely install set screws into the bushing and place the key into the key seat of the shaft. Next, slide the assembly onto the shaft and tighten the set screws evenly and alternately with a calibrated torque wrench to the specified torque value. Over-torquing can result in damage to the hub or bushing. During tightening of the set screws, the 2 tapered surfaces are drawn together, wedging the bushing into place between the shaft and the hub. Always ensure 100% keyway engagement of the taper lock bushing on the shaft. Reference the element template to verify proper flange spacing. Verify angular and parallel alignment by using a straight edge at 90-degree increments. This completes the installation of Paraflex taper lock flanges. For details on element installation, refer to the Paraflex element installation module. We have put product support at your fingertips. For our online selection program, visit ptwizard.com. And for our e-commerce platform, visit dodge.ptplace.com.